Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, I'll show you how to insert a blank page in Microsoft Word document. As you can see, I do have two pages here. Let's assume I want to insert a blank page just right after the first page. What I need to do is scroll down to the last sentence there or last paragraph and click on that. Now hover my mouse to Layout tab, click on that Layout tab, and in the Page Setup group, go over to where you see breaks, click the more arrow there, you'll see Page, click on Page. Now you will see that I have inserted a blank page into this Microsoft Word document, making it 3 pages. Now you can easily type in whatever it is you want to type in your Word document. Now I'm going to undo this. Now let's assume you want to insert a blank page at the top of the very first page. What you need to do is you come to this point, the first page, on the first paragraph, on the first line, you click there. Now you go to your Layout tab, click on it, go to Page Setup, and hover your mouse to where you see breaks, click the more arrow there, and choose Page. Now I'm going to scroll all the way up. You'll see that we've inserted a blank page as the first page in this document. Now you can go ahead and type in whatever it is you want to type. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. For more tech tips like this, click the next video that appears. I'll see you in the next video.